Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Go 4. In this video I'll show you how to manage controls. In the beginning, take a look at the top of the speaker. Right here we've got play pause button. Tap it once. Tap it twice to skip to next song and tap it 3 times to go backwards to previous song. Here we've got the minus button, thanks to which we can decrease volume, and here we've got the plus button, thanks to which we can increase volume. On the side we've got power button, Bluetooth pairing mode button, and multi-speaker connection button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.